As I'll ever be. Man. Oh my God. I'm about to hate this so fucking much. Oh shit. Woo! Fuck. Holy fuck! Oh fuck. Oh. Oh. Shit. Oh. Fuck. Oh damn. Oh, wait. Oh, it's teetering. Oh, we're going the other way. Ah, shit. Here we go. Great. I hate going backwards. Oh, I hate going backwards. Oh, I hate going backwards. Oh, my God. Oh! Oh, fuck. Jesus. Oh, I hate carnival rides so much. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, that was intense. Now, here's the part that I hate the absolute most. So I've done a lot of stupid shit in my day, but this is pretty up there because it's just sitting up here and we're slowly swaying. Yeah, I'm not doing well right now, guys. I did this for the sake of getting good footage for y'all on a cool carnival ride, but this is a lot. Y'all get a good view of the carnival, the Houston Rodeo. I'm literally about to have a panic attack and possibly sharp my pants. I don't think I've ever held onto a handlebar this hard in my entire life. And I'm really trying to keep it together for you guys. And I'm having a very hard time doing so right now. I love my mama. I just want her to know, Mama, I love you. And when I finally upload this and you see it, if I make it, just know I'm sorry that I didn't tell you before, but I didn't want to give you an aneurysm. So I did it out of love for you. And to my subscribers, I love y'all, but this right here is a no for me. Probably won't do this kind of shit ever again. And here we go, and I'm going face first, and it's over. Thank God.